Sing. Yeah.
It is stuck.
No, it's not.
Wait, Mom, can I put your phone on Matthew's bumper and drive down the road?
No. Okay.
Oh. Ah, I don't want that. Ah, what's up, boy? Can you flip me over? Oh, yeah. Flip me. Please?
Oh, he's trying.
Don't go that fast into it. You're gonna break something. Thanks for your help. Crap.
He's peeling out. He's gonna run you over.
I flipped over a window.
You gonna peel out and make my rocks? Are my shoes full of rocks? Yes. Okay, Drew, your class is back on.
Okay, so this is the wheelie bar, and so I put it's just these, and then I put these as a spacer. So these two are spacers, so it doesn't pinch in together. And then I put this on top of this one, but I clamped it in that. And then there's one of these things putting out, so this one stays there. And then there's this one, this one, this one, and then this one. And when it goes up, it stops. It can't move. And this, the reason it doesn't move is because of this. This leads right here. Added my connector, put another little blue connector, and I have it out a little because if it hits, it doesn't push this up and go around the fender. So this
cool.
This stops it.
Awesome, babe.
And then after that, I don't know if you can see under there, there's a little blue thing. And that hits the thing.
Right.
So it doesn't go up. And when
That's
I wheelie,
awesome.
it goes back a little. But see how it stops before the motor?
Hi, kitty.
It goes back down. So when it comes up, it goes back down.
Cool.
And look,
Let's go show Pa.
So when you wheelie, you can tell my motor does not hit. So
That's awesome.
battery's gonna go right here. So yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go show Pa.
It works.
It works good. It works so good.
It works.
Make sure that Lego and also the car.
Oh, the brand? I'm trying to pop a wheelie out there, but I can't. Watch, one more, one more. Oh.